Hey there, homeowners. I want to share a few simple ways you can protect your house and avoid having to call the mold guy. Buying a home is one of the biggest investment you'll ever make, and rightfully so, it deserves your attention. So let's start with the basics. Your home is made up of different areas. You have your laundry room, bathroom, kitchen, and basement. Each area behaves differently, especially as the seasons change. So what you need to do is pay attention to areas with water like laundry, bathrooms, and your kitchen. If you notice that the ceilings, floors, or walls suddenly change color, texture, or smell, that's not just old house stuff. That's a red flag. Let's take a closer look starting with the basement. If it smells musty down there, don't just chalk it up to stale air. Try opening a window. If you notice that the smell lingers, there might be something wrong. Check outside for cracks in the foundation, clogged window wells, or poor drainage. The smells could be caused by water getting into the basement from outside, or from places like bathrooms, laundry rooms, or due to poor construction. If you start to notice health symptoms like coughing, itchy eyes, or nasal congestion, it might be time to call in a pro for a proper fungal assessment. Next, let's move up to another common trouble spot, your windows. If you're seeing ice buildup or heavy condensation in the winter, that's not normal. A bit of frost during minus 40 degrees Celsius weather can happen, but thick ice or constant moisture on your windows is a sign something's wrong. Open your curtains, run a fan, and wipe up any moisture right away to avoid water seeping into the walls, which can lead to hidden mold and a hefty repair bill. And while we're talking about overlooked areas, don't forget the attic. You don't need to climb in, just open the hatch and take a peek. If there's staining or frost buildup, you might have blocked soffits or poor insulation. Fixing that early can save you from leaks, ice damming, and yes, mold. So here's what it all comes down to. Know your home. Pay attention to any changes. Air movement is your friend. It's your best defense against hidden moisture. If something changes, don't wait. Act fast before a small issue becomes a big repair. Protect your investment now, and you'll thank yourself later. And hey, if you do need the mold guy, at least now you'll know why.